Welcome to Willard Library's Virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to learn how to create a spooky bat banner just in time for Halloween. Let's start with a supply list. You can pick up a free craft kit at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library while supplies last. Included in the kit is one bat pattern on heavy cardstock, 2 pieces of black cardstock that measure 8.5 by 11 inches, 1 small piece of double-sided decorative cardstock, this is for the dots on the banner, at least 5 miniature black clothespins, 1 piece of thick black thread, this measures at least 5 feet in length, you can cut it to sizes you need. You will also need 1 sharp pair of scissors, a hole punch, a pencil for tracing, and a quarter. These 4 items are not included in the kit. Before starting this project, you'll first want to carefully cut out your bat pattern. I've labeled mine here. Now take a piece of black cardstock, a pencil, and your pattern, and begin carefully tracing the bat. My banner is going to include 5 bats, so I'm tracing the pattern 5 times. Try to keep the bats as close together as possible without overlapping. Okay, you'll notice here that I was able to fit 4 bats on 1 piece of paper. Now we're ready to start cutting them out. Grab a pair of scissors. I found that it was easiest to cut around each bat first, then go back in and cut the details. You can do this however you like. Since the trace lines may be difficult to see on the black cardstock, be sure to take your craft to a well-lit room. Cutting out each of the bats is the most time-consuming and challenging part of this project. Take your time and feel free to press pause and take a break if you need to. Thanks to movie magic, we're going to skip ahead on this part. All 5 of my bats are cut out and we're ready for the next step. Next, we're going to create dots to go between each bat on the banner. Take your piece of double-sided cardstock, your quarter, and a pencil and begin tracing. I'm tracing out 4 dots for my banner. Once you're finished tracing, grab your scissors and cut out each dot. Now that all of your dots are cut out, grab your hole punch and punch a hole in the center of each. This way you can string them onto your banner. Each craft kit contains 5 feet of black thread. However, you can cut this to size depending on where you're going to put your banner. Now we're going to thread each of the paper dots onto one end of the banner. Now it's time to assemble our banner. Grab your black clothespins, your bats, and your thread. Lay out the bats where you want them to be and simply clip them onto the string with your clothespins. The best part of this project is that if you don't like the placement of one of your cutouts, you can easily change it. To make your bat banner easy to hang, grab the end of the thread, create a loop, and tie a double knot as seen here. Do this on both ends of the banner. Cut off the tail end of the knot, and your banner is ready for decorating. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy Halloween!